Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel where we give different style and tutorial. Let's go. So if you're a beginner, this gele is for you. This tutorial is for you. So you make your plate. You can make about 5 to 7 plates. If you wish, you can make about 6 plates or 4 plates or 7 plates depending. Then the length should be 30-70. The longer part should be 70, while the shorter part will be 30, and you arrange it depending on the kind of gele you are using. Then you arrange it. Then you can ask your client, your model, or your bride to hold it while you do the arrangement of the 30. Like if you are seeing here, you see that is the 30 part I'm doing the arrangement. Then the 30 part should be on top, while the longer part, which is the 70 part, should be under. Now the 1 inch, if you have been following my tutorial, you have to make a 1 inch first before you start doing your plate. So the 1 inch is what you are going to place on top of the plate you have already made. Then use your pin and hold it tightly. Then you hold it tightly. Then you start making your plate. Now while making this, you have to make your gele, the upper one, which is 70 part, you have to place it slantly as you're making your plate. You hold it while I'm holding it, then you place it slantly, so it will be easier for you to get the fan shape that you are looking for. So it will be easier for you to get the fan shape you are looking for. Now if you are looking at this video and you are following me step to step, you see that this the shape have already come out. The fan shape that I need has already come out. So what you will do at this point is to gently lay your fan and pick it. So you just keep picking it. At a point, you like this place, I'm kind of arranging those ones that I've already picked, because you have to make everything to lie on each other. So you have to arrange it, because if you didn't arrange it, any mistake you made will affect your after results or the outcome of your result. So you have to arrange everything. You just see the way I'm doing my arrangement. So you have to arrange everything. Now look at it. So you keep picking. As you are picking down, you are doing the arrangement as well. You keep arranging. So once you get down there, you have to pin it, because we only pin from the beginning to the middle. We didn't pin down, so you have to pin it. The essence of pinning it is for the scarf not to scatter while doing it. It's for it not to scatter. So at this point, you pin as you're taking your fan, as you're picking your fan, sorry. Then you pick it till the back. You have to keep picking it till you get to the back. I'm sorry I didn't show the back. I promise next time I will definitely show the back. So you have to pick it. So once you pick it and you're about to twist it, you just have to twist it. You have to twist it. Then you use the 30 part and the 70 part and twist both of them together. Then you pin it. There's nothing much about the back. Just bring both of them, you twist it, then you pin it to the body. So that's why while making your fan, as you're making and taking your plate, you keep some space. Those inches you left behind are the inches where you can pin and do anything you wish to do. Then after you are done pinning and tying and doing everything at the back, you just do a little bit of adjustment by the side or a little bit of arrangement by the side, just the way I'm doing mine. So guys, if you find this video so interesting and useful, please subscribe to my channel, give it a thumb up. If you're a new subscriber, I want to say thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. I appreciate you. God bless you guys for me. Now, you do your arrangement. There's nothing much to do here. It's just a bit of arrangement. Then, if you wish to drag just the way I'm dragging this, I'm just dragging the fan. It's just the fan that I wish to drag. It's just this one is just a personal choice. I choose to do it. And then you arrange. You make sure that both ends, I mean the down ends, are evenly arranged. Now you see the way I'm just dragging it. I feel like if I drag it more, it will lay very well. Now this is it. This is the awesome outcome. This is the result is giving. So guys, I want to say very big thank you. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.